Starting my YouTube channel felt like taking a giant leap into the unknown. I had no subscribers, no views, and absolutely no idea if anyone would be interested in what I had to say. The thought of putting myself out there was terrifying, but I was determined to share my passion with the world. To my utter astonishment, in just 30 days my channel exploded. I had gone from 0 subscribers to over 32,500. It was an incredible experience, and it all happened without any paid advertising or special promotions. The key to this rapid growth was a combination of strategic planning and pure dedication. I knew that I needed to create high-quality content, but I also had to make sure that it reached the right audience. This journey taught me that success on YouTube is achievable for anyone willing to put in the effort. It's about understanding the platform, your audience, and consistently delivering value. Looking back, I realized that it wasn't just about the numbers. It was about connecting with people and building a community around shared interests. And psychologically compelling. Creating great content is crucial, but it's only half the battle. To truly succeed on YouTube, you need to establish a consistent posting schedule that your viewers can rely on. Consistency builds trust, and trust is the foundation of a loyal audience. When you upload regularly, you signal to your viewers that you're invested in your channel and committed to providing them with fresh content. Think about it. You're more likely to subscribe to a channel that releases videos regularly than one that uploads sporadically. At the beginning of my journey, I made it a point to upload a new video every single day. This might seem daunting, but it was crucial in the early days to gain traction and establish a consistent presence. As my channel grew, I was able to adjust my posting schedule to 3 times a week, which allowed me to maintain quality while still staying consistent. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is what will keep your viewers coming back for more and ultimately help you achieve long-term success. Content is king on YouTube, and simply uploading videos isn't enough. To captivate your audience and keep them glued to their screens, you need to master the art of crafting compelling content. This means understanding how to hook viewers from the first few seconds and keep them engaged throughout the entire video. One powerful technique I learned was the open loop. This involves introducing a question or a problem at the beginning of your video and keeping the answer or solution a mystery until later on. This creates a sense of anticipation and encourages viewers to keep watching to find out what happens. Another essential element of engaging content is storytelling. People connect with stories, so weave personal anecdotes and relatable experiences into your videos. Don't be afraid to be yourself and let your personality shine through. Authenticity is key to building a genuine connection with your audience. Finally, always end your videos with a call to action. Whether you're asking viewers to subscribe, like the video, or leave a comment, encourage interaction. This not only boosts engagement, but also helps to foster a sense of community around your channel.